If you're choosing between OpenRouter and Requesty, watch this before you choose, because this isn't just API platform versus API platform. It's massive model access versus developer-focused routing. OpenRouter is designed to give developers access to a huge range of AI models through a single API. You can switch between models from different providers without constantly changing integrations. That makes it extremely convenient for developers testing models, comparing outputs, or building apps that need flexibility. But here's the catch. With so many models available, choosing and optimizing the right setup can become overwhelming. Requesty takes a more focused approach. It emphasizes routing, reliability, and developer workflows that help applications automatically use models more efficiently. For teams building production systems, smarter request handling can reduce complexity and improve performance. The downside is that it doesn't have the same broad ecosystem and model recognition that OpenRouter currently offers. So which one should you choose? Choose OpenRouter if you want access to lots of models and easy experimentation. Choose Requesty if you want more control over request handling and production optimization. Bottom line, for most people, OpenRouter is the easier starting point because of its huge model selection and flexibility. But if you're building larger production systems where routing and reliability matter more than raw model access, Requesty may become the stronger choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.